Okay, this is by far like one of the scariest storms I've been in a while. My dog over here freaking out. Come here. It's okay, Brownie. See? That's okay. It's just nuts. So I'm going to turn the light off here so you guys can see how severe this lighting really is. Hopefully, I mean, we don't get struck by lightning, but... Oh my gosh, I just caught the biggest bolt of lightning. That was just... Wow. Now, my car is sitting out here kind of in a low spot, and the National Weather Service has issued a flash flood warning for Jefferson Parish. This is just outrageous. It's unbelievable, this lightning. I can't believe this. I woke up to huge, like what sounded like a jet just flying by my house really slowly, and I just felt like my house was going to be engulfed in whatever this was making that noise. And so I jumped up and grabbed the dog, getting ready to go hide in the tub, and it just stopped, and then this lightning just started crashing all around the house. So you can imagine being by yourself that this is a little scary. Just a little bit. Open this window here. Leave it open, you'll be able to... Wow. That's just... Man, I hope my car doesn't get flooded. Please, please, please. Ooh. Ooh. Just seems so close. Hope no one gets stuck out in the middle of this storm. That was close. Alright, I'm going to put some tennis shoes on, just in case lightning decides it wants to come through and sting me a little bit. So, going for a second.